I just came through that tunnel over there that was flooded. I thought, well, if I get through this, it's going to be okay, but I might turn around and go back. I don't know. This is the way I want to go, East 45, the State College. And it looks flooded as far as I can see. The whole friggin' area's flooded. I'm getting boxed in. I can't find nowhere to go. It says 22's closed. All these back roads. I thought getting on the pavement would be okay. This is the pavement here. It's one of the regular highways, and through the brick. It says closed that way. Hell, how could it be closed that way as bad as it is right here? Well, there's no sense in even going that way. I mean, if you get this far, they still tell you it's closed. It's still be getting dark, and these wet spots be hard to see. So, I don't know. Well, here's Rick. Till next time, out in bum-screwed Egypt somewhere, trying to get through Pennsylvania after a couple days of rain. I will see you shortly.